Good morning, students. Welcome back to our maths class. It is pleasure to meet you all again in this class. Today we are going to see rational numbers. Before going that, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on used for counting form a set of natural numbers, and natural numbers are denoted by the symbol capital N. If we include 0 to the set of natural numbers, a new system is formed, is called whole number system, and it is denoted as W. And the smallest whole number is 0 and the smallest natural number is 1. If we insert the negative natural numbers minus 1, minus 2 and so on into the whole number system, the new system is called the set of integers and it is denoted as Z. Next, we insert the fractions to the integer system. The new system is formed. It is known as a rational numbers. So today we are going to see about rational numbers. So rational numbers means any number in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and P is any integer and Q is a positive integer, is called as rational number or a fractional number, and it is denoted as a symbol Q, and it is denoted as a symbol Q. Any integer is also a rational numbers. Suppose we can take a number integer minus 2, it can be written as a form of rational, that means minus 2 by 1. So any whole numbers or any natural numbers, any integers can be written as a form of P by Q. So all the elements are known as a rational numbers. Then next we move on the addition of two rational numbers. So we already know about how to add the rational numbers, add and sub the two rational numbers. Today we are going to see about rational numbers with variables. Here x is the variable. So here the question is simplify x by 2 plus x by 11. Here the question is x by 2 plus x by 11. So solution. Here the denominators are 2 and 11. Here the denominators are not equal. That means it is unlike fractions. So that means you have to take the LCM. So LCM of 2 and 11 is 22. Next, I'll write the question x by 2 plus x by 11, which is equal to, the common denominator is LCM is 22. So here x by 2 is the first fraction. Here in the first fraction 2 is the denominator. So we have to multiply it with 11. Both numerator and the denominator, we get 11 into x. Next, here is a plus sign, put plus. And the next fraction is x by 11. So 11 must be multiplied with 2. We get 22. So x into 2. Next step, which is equal to 11 into x is 11x plus 2 into x is 2x, is divided by 22, which is equal to 11x plus 2x is 13x by 22. Here comes the answer. Next question number 2. 3p by q plus 4a by b. Here these two are rational numbers. Here q and b are different variables. So we have to find the LCM of these two variables. Here the q and b are different variables. So we have to multiply, we get the LCM. Now we are adding these two rational numbers. First of all, you can take the LCM of q and b. Here the LCM of q and b is qb. Next, you will write the question, the 3p by q plus 4a by b. Here, what is the common denominator? What is the LCM? Is qb. Here, the first fraction is 3p by q. Here, q is the denominator. So, we have to multiply with b. We get the LCM QB. So both numerator and denominator we must multiply with B. So we get 3p into b. Close the bracket. Next here the plus sign, so put plus. Then the second fraction is 4a by b. So here denominator is b, must be multiplied with q. We get the denominator qb. Q and also the denominator, which is equal to 3pb plus 4aq by qb. Here the numerator 3pb and 4aq both are different variable. So simply you have to write like this. So this is the answer. Next question is simplify 3 by pq plus 4 by qr. So here the two fractions are given. Here the denominators are not equal. So I have to take the LCM. LCM of first denominator is PQ and the second denominator is QR, which is equal to, here Q is the common. So you have multiplied P and Q is a common and R. So here the LCM of PQ and QR is PQR. Next you have to write the question 3 by PQ plus 4 by QR, which is equal to, here what is the denominator is LCM is PQR. Next in the first fraction the denominator is PQ. Already we have a PQ. Then what is the remaining value? R. So the numerator is multiplied with R. Put plus. Next the second fraction is 4 by QR. Here the denominator is QR. Already we have a QR. And what is the remaining variable? P. So the second term must be multiplied with P, which is equal to 3 into R is 3R plus 4 into P, 4P by PQR. Here in the numerator 3R and 4P are different variable. So this is the answer. This is the answer for this question. Next question is simplify 2a square c by bd plus 2x power 3y by de. Here the denominators are not equal. So I take the LCM. So LCM of bd and de. Here which variable is equal? Common. So d is the common variable. So I add d. Then what is the remaining variable? B and e. So here LCM of BD and DE is BDE. Next 2a square c by BD plus 2x power 3y by DE, which is equal to, here what is the LCM? Is BDE. Here what is the first fraction? Is 2a square c by bd. Here we have already the variable bd. What is the remaining variable? Is the e. So e must be multiplied the first term 2a square c plus, in the second fraction the denominator is de. Here what is the remaining variable? Is b. So b is multiplied with the second term 2x square y, which is equal to 2a square ec plus 2x square yb is divided by bde. Here comes the answer. Next question, simplify 2 by a square plus 3 by a power 3. Here in this denominator variable is equal but different in powers. So I take the LCM of a power 3 and a power 2. A power 2 and a power 3. Here a is the common denominator. This is a common base. So same variable. So I take a as a LCM of the variable, and here I am going to choose the highest power. Here what is the highest power? 3 is the highest power. So the LCM of a power 2 and a power 3 is a power 3. So first of all, 2 by a power 2 plus 3 by a power 3 is equal to, so the common denominator is a power 3. So in the first denominator, first fraction 2 by a power 2, so here denominator is a power 2. So a must be multiplied with a power 2, we get a power 3. That means a power 2 into a, which is equal to a power 2 plus 1 is 3. So first fraction 2, the first fraction numerator 2 must be multiplied with a plus 3 divided by a power 3. So here denominator is already a power 3. So 3 is multiplied with 1, which is equal to 2a plus 3 by a power 3. Here comes the answer. In exercise 1.6, first row letter, question number 10. Simplify 7a by b plus 8b by a. So here the denominators are b and a. So take the LCM. B and a are different variables. So simply add multiply. So the LCM of b and a is ab. Next, 7a by b plus 8b by a, which is equal to, the common denominator is ab. Here, what is the first fraction? Is 7a by b. In the denominator, we have b. Then what is the remaining variable? Is a. So, first numerator must be multiplied with a. Next, put plus. And the second fraction is 8b by a. Here, the denominator is a. Then what is the remaining variable? Is b. So, second variable, second numerator is multiplied with b, which is equal to 7 a into a. So base are equal, you have to add the powers. A power 1 plus 1 is 2. So a power 2, the same method, 8 b power 1 into b power 1. That means 1 plus 1 is 2. So 8 b power 2 by a b. Here comes the answer. Let us recall what we have learned in today's class. That means the rational numbers. Any number in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p is any integer and q must be a positive integer, is called a rational number, and it is denoted as a symbol q. If we add two rational numbers, first of all we take the LCM of the denominators, then we can change into equivalent fraction, then you have to add the values. Thank you, students.